Welcome to our channel. If you want to disable calendar sync notifications on the Instacart app, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage notification settings effectively. Step 1. Open the Instacart app on your mobile device and sign in to your account if you're not already logged in. Step 2. Tap on the profile or account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Navigate to Settings by tapping on the Settings gear icon or selecting it from the account menu. Step 4. Look for Notifications or Notification Settings in the Settings menu and tap on it to view all notification options. Step 5. Scroll through the notification categories to find calendar-related notifications or sync notifications. Step 6. Toggle off the switches next to calendar sync notifications or any related notification types you want to disable. Step 7. If calendar sync is causing notifications, go to your device's main settings app and navigate to Instacart in the apps list. Step 8. Tap on Notifications within the Instacart app settings and disable specific notification types, including any calendar-related alerts. Step 9. On Android devices, you can also go to Settings, then Apps, find Instacart, tap Notifications, and customize which types of notifications are allowed. Step 10. Return to the Instacart app and verify that you're no longer receiving unwanted calendar sync notifications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.